We live in a world where ignorance is no longer rampant, but a choice. For in this generation, we are called to embrace change, to embrace difference. So whatever your sexual orientation, gender identity, or expression is, acceptance should and must be your right. Hi everyone, good evening ladies and gentlemen. Wearing this exquisite and world-class national costume inspired by the Philippine mythology, Tala, the daughter of Bathala, the goddess of stars, for the people of Rosario, Pasig City. This is Jen de la Serna. 24, and I am the first transgender to compete and win in Miss Mapua University and a catalyst for social change. And I am proud to represent the hope of Our Lady of Peace and Good Voyage in the Sumaka Festival of the Philippines. Tara na at tayo na sa Antipolo. Mabuhay!
Judges, that is Queen number 10, Jen de la Serna. Judges, your score, please.
In the privacy of my everyday life, I have always been a warrior. But tonight, ladies, gentlemen, and in between, allow me to stand here as your queen, the girl who is naked in your eyes, hailing all the way from the fashion capital of the Philippines. Yes, the sole representative of the one and the only, the Emerald City by the Bay. From the south, I am giving you a different flavor. I am from Parañaque City. My name is Josh Rabong 24, and I am very proud to introduce myself as Bayaning Puyat and Scholar ng Bayan. Yes, estudyante sa umaga, call center agent sa gabi, rest day ko po ngayon. I am currently on my 4th and last year, taking a Bachelor of Arts in Literary and Cultural Studies in the Polytechnic University of the Philippines in Santa Mesa, Manila. Proud, dignified, and consistent. Deans. Lister, kahit magpakitaan pa tayo ng transcript of records. As I am venturing the production floor of TTEC in MOA, Pasay City. But tonight, honorable panelists and all audience, allow me to carry the image of one of the most promising vlogger of the South. Yes, ako po ang nagpauso ng mga katagang. Harap na! What up, Sabis? I am here tonight, Miss Zainab Harake. Zainab Harake na nag-iiwan ng hindi bastos at hindi nakakatawang kataga, ngunit isang paalala na backstage, I am daring you all. Let the battle of beauty and brain begin. Good evening.
Tonight, I am wearing our very own festival, the Mascara Festival. Maupay-upay nga kagab-ihon kaninyong tanan. Or should I say, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Kim Fernandez Alcantara, 19 years old. But tonight, allow me to stand by the name of our own Miss Cosmo Philippines 2024, Miss Maria Atisa Manalo. Bago ko po listanin ang apat na sulok ng tabladong ito, nais ko po mag-iwan ng salita. Maraming mga lalaking gustong magmahal ng bakla. Takot lang po silang mausgahan. Kaya lagi nating pakatandaan, hindi masama ang pagiging bakla kung hindi ka gagawa ng sarili mong ikakasama. Because we are born to be true and never to be perfect. Once again, this is Kim Fernandez Alcantara, representing from the capital city of Negros Occidental, kung saan may manamit nga tubo, kagwapa pala sa imo, kagwapo pala sa imo, Bacolod City!
There you have it, judges. That is candidate number 12, Kim Fernandez Alcantara.
Good evening, people of Barangay Rosario. This is Pauline Villanueva, 20 years old, all the way from my hometown itself, Rosario, Pasig City. Life isn't always black and white. Sometimes we're born with a soul that doesn't quite match with the package it comes in. But guess what? That doesn't make it any less beautiful. This stage isn't just about crowns and sashes. It's about celebrating diversity, shattering stereotypes, and inspiring others to be their authentic selves. Once again, this is Pauline Villanueva saying, cherish your life in every single moment, because life is too short to be unhappy. Thank you so much.
There you have it, judges. That is candidate number 13, Pauline Villanueva. Judges, your score, please.
our humanity, because our own purpose in living into this world is to love and to be loved. Good evening, this is Chelsea Fernandez, 20 years tenor, all the way from the largest distributing center in Visayan Island, Northern Samar. A fresh college graduate in the University of Eastern Philippines, magna cum laude. But tonight, since this is a pageant, panel of judges, people of Pasig City, please do allow me to stand by the name, ang babaeng bumihag sa pihikang puso ni Enrique Hill, Liza Soberano. And before I leave this beautiful stage, I would like to impart an important message to each and everyone. In a world where you can be anything, be nothing but yourself, the world will adjust. Thank you.
Perfect. People of Rosario, Pasig City, hi. Hello. Hi. Excuse me po. Hindi po ako papaka-girl in tonight's video because I always believe that beauty pageant like this is not only defined of how we are having this one big boobs, nor the one big hips. Wala man po akong gawa sa aking katawan, ngunit I am proud to say that I am the only candidate representing and raising the flag of the bisexual community of Metro Manila. Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Kanina pa kayo mga ututo, joke lamang po. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Most of you laugh and most of you think that this is a comedy show. But ladies and gentlemen, haven't we forgotten the saying that do not judge the book by its cover? Nanggaling pa po ako sa malayong lugar ng Capiz, Aklan. Ang nanay ko po isang mangkukulam at ang tatay ko naman po ay ay isang mambabarang. Kaya pasintabi lamang po sa isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima, anim, pito, sandali, 8, 9, 10, 11 mga hurado, konting pagkakamali po ay iwasan. Dahil siguradong lulusubin kayo ng aking mga pinakapatid na aswang na nandyan sa aking likuran. Joke lamang po. Sa mga tabulators, make sure na kupunin yung number 1 dahil siguradong lalapunin kayo ng aming mga makeup artist na purong mga tikbalang. Pinapasaya ko lamang po ang inyong gabi. Good evening, people of Rosario, Pasig City. I am Maria Sofia Alcantara. I am proud to say that I am 33 years old. I am an AV Mass Communication graduate from the University of the Philippines in Diliman, Quezon City. Graduated elementary and high school as a valedictorian, and I'm proud to say that I graduated college with flying colors as a magna cum laude. Thank you so much. Nasa inyong pong harapan ang babaeng nagpasakit sa puso ni Romina. Ang babaeng tunay na nagmamay-ari ng pabrika ng Camila. Ang impactang nanay ni Marga, si Binibining Daniela Dimples Romana. Na kailanman hindi po magmamakaawa o makikiusap para palakpakan ng madla. Dahil ngayong gabi, ang pagmumulat sa inyong mga mata na kami pong mga miyembro ng ikatlong kasarian ay tunay na katanggap-tanggap at kamahal-mahal. Dahil ang tunay at pagsusuot ng pambansang kasuotan, wala sa laki, wala sa ganda, ngunit ang tunay na pambansang kasuotan ay ang tunay na may ipinaglalaban. Wearing the national costume which represents the national vehicle of the Republic of the Philippines, Bip, 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 ang sabi ng jeep.
There you have the judges, that is candidate number 15, Miss Maria Sofia Alcantara.
Sandali. Because tonight, this is not only the gathering and giving respect to those LGBT community. Isa munang happy birthday sa nagbigay ng pagkakataon upang ipakita ang tunay naming karapatan at ang tunay naming kagandahan. Nakalpong salamat.
Again, that is candidate number 15, Maria Sofia Alcantara. Judges, your score, please.
Hiyawan dyan. Marami pong salamat. I always believe that love is the essence of life, because that is a wonderful feeling that we can find in the heart of everyone. To the simplest and to the highest man's crowns here in earth. So really, I'm pasamable. And yes, that is real. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Or should I say, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. A girl is standing before you is a fresh and indeed innocent 21 years old listener, and I am very proud and humble because I am your It's Showtime Miss Q&A Season 3 Queen of the Multipex First Runner-Up. My name is Miss Karen Montesilio, and I am truly all the way with the place that you can experience just like a silver lining. Yes, I am all the way from Tondo, Manila. But tonight, since this is a beauty pageant, allow me to stand by the name of your one and only. I am the only girl who captured the heart of Mr. Ronnie Alonte. My name is Miss Loisa Andalio, and I always believe si best amar amor. If you want to be loved, learn how to love. And if you want to be respected, learn how to respect. Judges, I am your candidate number 16. Mark my number, because I will give you the good show and a night that you should never, ever forget. Thank you.
Judges, that is Karen Montesilio, candidate number 16. Your score, please. Number 17, Queen Aaron Talana. Judges, your
Board of Judges. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. The girl that was naked in your eyes, a fresh Indian innocent. No surgery, no collagen, no artificial flavor in the body. But I am proud to say that from my head up to my toe was our God-given beauty. Yes, because I am your half Brazilian, half Filipino who was raised and graduated fashion studies in Napoli, Italy. My real name is Chloe Chanel Montenegro, your classic city's pride, your first ever queen of Pasig. Yes, I am your queen of the East, and also your candidate for trans queen of Asia. But for tonight, since this is a pageant, hindi mahalaga kung gaano karami ang koronang naibutong sa ating una. Bagkos, ang pinakamagandang gagawin natin ngayong araw ay ang magpasaya at maging mabuti sa ating mga kapwa. Kaya naman hayaan niyo po akong hiramin ang pagkababae at pagkatao ng ating Miss Universe 2024. Opo, ako nga po ang magpapauso ng tampisaw sa Miss Universe. Walang iba kundi si Miss Chelsea Manalo. Chelsea Manalo na hindi mag-iiwan ng mga bastos na salita. Bagkos, hayaan niyo po akong sabihin na kayong mga manlalait, kayong mga mahilig manakit, kayo po ang hindi pupunta sa langit. Once again, I am your Ate Ko